Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule recurring meetings with Calendly plus Zoom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So Calendly does not natively support scheduling recurring meetings. Instead, it schedules individual meetings based on your available time slots. So to schedule recurring meetings with Calendly and Zoom, you'll need to connect Zoom to Calendly for each recurring event. Create a single instance event, type in in Calendly, share the event with the invitee. All you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Calendly, log in into your account, and you can simply connect your Zoom account with it. So select the Zoom integration and follow the steps given on screen to simply link your Zoom account with your Calendly. Now you need to create an event type in Calendly. Like each time you need to simply schedule it. Like you cannot do it in bulk, but you need to schedule each event type. After this, you can simply share your event link and have the invitees book subsequent meetings. So you can also use recurring meeting options in Zoom if you really want to, and this is all done. I have cleared out everything in this video. Hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.